Hi everyone, I'm Heather and I am here to inspire you to change your mindset, gain momentum, and transform your life one simple step at a time. Doesn't it sound marvelous? Doesn't it sound sort of easy when I make it sound like that? Yes, I know, it does. But it's not always easy, right? Life is not always easy. So I've got exciting news for all of you. Many of you have been like chomping at the bit. It's no surprise to many of you that in the last few weeks, month and a half or so, I have switched gears. I have had to make a drastic pivot. I would do a pirouette or something, but then it's hot here in Texas. My hair is going to fall and be a mess. I'll probably fall on my butt. Anyway, so, what I know to be true is that we are all lacking something. Before I get into that though, some of you might not know that a little bit of my backstory and a little bit of how I have made it through some really tough, big, yucky stuff. Number one, I grew up in Vail, Colorado. I learned to play tons of sports. I was good at a lot of stuff, but the one thing that I really loved was ski racing. And I was pretty good at it. And I just loved skiing. And I loved racing. And unfortunately, when I was 15 years old, I was in a horrible accident in Aspen, Colorado. And I was told I would never walk again. I would never do this. I would never do that. I would never. The list of nevers was really long. And I don't know how people can tell that to a 15-year-old. Obviously, they didn't know Heather. And over the course of about 3.5, almost 4 years, all through high school, I had surgery after surgery after surgery. Let's try this. Let's try and fix this. Let's try and get her to do this. And the entire time, wasn't getting much better. So I made the very, very difficult decision that no 18-year-old should ever have to make, to have my leg amputated. In fact, I crawled up the stairs the night that I made the decision, much like today, the day that I made the decision to tell you all what I'm going to do next. And I took a deep breath and I announced at the dinner table, this is it. The leg has got to go. I'm done with the surgeries. And it was sort of like forks and knives clanked onto the plates and everyone was like, what? But I knew that it was time. And I knew that it was time because I was missing one thing. Anyone know what I might have been missing at that point got to that point to say to a physician, hi, my name is Heather and I'm ready to have you take my leg? I was lacking inspiration. I didn't know how I was going to go on. Fast forward some time, learned how to walk again, learned how to ski again, learned how to play tennis again, learned how to play soccer again, went to college, did the best I could. And in a lot of ways, I succeeded. I, made mistakes. Who doesn't make mistakes? No one's perfect, right? Fast forward to 2004, and I lost my sister to melanoma. Y'all, my sister, she was much older than me, and so she was like a second mom to me too. We talked every day, and I just could not believe that in exactly 4 months, she was gone. And in that time of watching her decline and then losing her, I lost it again. I lost my inspiration again. Man, it sucked. Anyone else been there? I know you have. We've all experienced loss of varying levels, and it's tough, right? Fast forward a few more years, and I had a successful business. I had 2 beautiful daughters. I had a fabulous husband, and I lost control of my health and my well-being. I lost it in giving to everyone and everything but myself. literally lost it. In such a manner that I was in such a fog and in such a dark state that I really didn't know how I was going to go on. And in that moment, leading up to it, realizing it and getting out of it, I realized the one thing I was missing. Yep, inspiration. It's no secret that I have been fortunate enough over the last few years to help and lift up thousands of folks. And what I know to be true, no matter what you are facing in life, no matter what you want to accomplish in life, if you do not have a strong hold, actually a hug of your inspiration, of what inspires you, you aren't going to get anywhere. You're not going to be able to accomplish squat. I know it because I've lived it and I've acknowledged it. And every time that I've realized and said, Heather, you've lost your inspiration, you need to find it, and I've done it, I've gotten through the hard stuff. So I'm excited to share with you all the next phase and how I am going to help you all. I am excited to announce that I am launching a 15-day course, an inspiration journey. We are going to find your inspiration. We are going to sort of cultivate and water the inspiration, and we are going to use that foundation as a building block to move on and do all of the things that we want to do in life. And I am convinced that if you don't have this, you won't be able to accomplish anything. So I hope you will join me. You can hop on over to 𝐒𝐢𝐠𝐧.com/courses. And there's a button there that says like, Be Well, Believe in You, Inspiration Journey. You can click on that and it will bring you to the course. We are going to start August 10th. And so it's going to give everyone time to share with their friends and family and everyone to find out and everyone to get signed up. And I am really excited to help you all find your inspiration and move on and find success in your life. I hope you're excited. I hope this sounds like something that you are interested in. I sure am interested in it. I know that it is the key ingredient. And you know, I spend a lot of time in the kitchen thinking about ingredients and thinking about cooking things up. And this is the key, y'all. So this is what I want you to remember. There are 2 rules in life. 2 rules. If you can just follow these 2 rules and learn some stuff from me, I think I'm going to be able to help you. You're going to be able to help me, and we're going to be able to figure it out together. So here they are. Are you ready? 1, be inspired. Be inspired. Every day, say, I'm going to be inspired. Number 2, always remember number 1, be inspired. Simple as that. 2 rules. Be inspired. Number 2, refer back to number 1. All right, are you with me? So I'm super excited. I'll post the links. Again, it's 𝐒𝐢𝐠𝐧.com/courses. And I cannot wait to see you August 10th in my classroom. I'm super excited. And I'm just, you know what? I could have waited around. I could have let fear get the best of me. I could have said, oh, I'll do it tomorrow. I'll do it the next day. But you know what? Today's the day. Today is the day that I am ready to help you get inspired. As always, I ask you to be well and believe in you.